So what we see here is a Canadian beaver. This is actually probably one of the stars of the movie Zombievers. Rated R. Pretty good, not great. Easy if you're bored. This is probably the closest I've ever been to a beaver, as well as the first time I've ever seen a beaver. So perhaps I've been closer to a beaver, but I haven't been aware of the fact that I am in fact close to the beaver. What I'm trying to say is I am moderately excited about this beaver.
We are also in Lundbreck Falls, which is in Alberta, and we're really, really close to British Columbia.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Sorry, yeah, I forgot to mention there are also some waterfalls, but I'm actually more excited about the beaver because these are the 6th or 7th set of waterfalls I've seen, but the first beaver on this trip. All right, it's going back in the water, and look, it's such an avid and good swimmer. Okay, let's get closer. Hi, Mr. Beaver. While you are delicious, we will not eat you. Watch as it swims against the current, and the current is actually bringing him directly to us. It cannot swim as fast as we can walk, and we are probably scaring the living shit out of it right now. But, like any good documentarian, we do not care about the welfare of the animal. And just like that, it is gone. Never to surface again. Oh my god, it's coming for your feet! Haha, gotcha. Okay, I'm sorry, I shouldn't have done that. That was mean. We're getting closer to the waterfall. What? Impressive. What's impressive? This? Ugh.